Hello everybody, so today I want to show you how to answer this one. We need to find about complementary solutions and particular solutions. So in this one, I will put about yc e to the power of lambda t. Later that we need to find first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda t. So when we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda t. Later that we need to do first the derivative of lambda t. You got lambda. Now we go to second derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda t. And now we have this one. So because this is about complementary solutions, so I will put this one equals to number 0, and I will put this one go in here, this one go in here. So we have lambda square e to the power of lambda t. So e to the power of lambda t, we can do about factorization. So we need to find the solutions of this one. So I will put number 9 go to here. Then we put the square root for the both sides, and we have negative 3i and lambda equals to 3i. This is about the complex numbers in here. So that means we have yc, that is about c number 1, e to the power of negative 3is. So we change lambda into the value of this one, and we have c number 2, e to the power of 3is. In this one we put about c number 1, sine 3s, and c number 2, cosine 3s. And this one I change back for t. Now about particular solutions, we can see that we have cosine 3t, but this one they include about cosine 3t in here. So about particular solutions, I will put about yp, that is about 8s cosine 3t. Oh sorry, this is about t, not s. 8t cosine 3t and bt sine 3t. So if we do first the derivative of yb, that is about like this. We have a cosine 3t minus 3at minus 3at sine 3t. Then we have b sine 3t minus 3b or positive 3b cosine 3t, and we have t in here. So I just apply the product rule of the derivative. So let's go to the second derivative of yb. So we have negative a and we have number 3. So we have negative 3a sine 3t. The next one we have negative a sine t sine 3t. Later that we need to do first the derivative of sine 3t, and that is about negative number 9 a cosine 3t. Then we go to this one, so we have 3b cosine 3t. This one we have 3b cosine 3b. This one we have negative 9bt sine 3t. We need to put t in here. So after we calculate this one, we can simplify. Negative 3a, negative 3a, we have negative 6a. So this one we have negative 9a cosine 3t. So 3b plus 3b, we have 6b. Now we put this one go in here. So in this case, this one, that is this one, and number 9 multiplied by this one. So now we need to put in terms of sine 3t, t cosine 3t, cosine 3t, and t sine 3t. So about sine 3t, we just have only this one. About 80 cosine 3t. So we can see that we have 980 cosine 3t with negative number 980 cosine 3t. We cancel. Similar this one, we cancel this one too. So we just have only this one. So that is about 6b cosine 3t. And now this one we have number 4 cosine 3t. So that means 6b equals to number 4. We don't have sine 3t. That means 8 equals to number 0. So we calculate, and we have b equal to 4 divided by 6. So we have 2 over 3. So yp in here, we just have only this one, and that is about 2 over 3 t sine 3t. So after we got yb, we combine yc and yb. Yc, that is this one, and yb, that is this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.